Welcome to the channel, people. My name's Grant, and this channel is going to be about salvage cars and how I make my living. It's my full-time job. I buy salvage cars, repair them, paint them, detail them, sell them. Paint sprayer by trade and also a detailer. So we're going to be buying all sorts of things and sort of give you a day in the life of, well, realistically a car trader. That's what I do, it's my job. We've got a job booked in this week. We're detailing a really famous car. It was rebuilt from the ground up on a car show called Car SOS, which is funny enough going to be back on the telly this weekend. I'll put a link to that in the description. Give you a little sneak peek over my shoulder here. I'm going to turn the camera around and give you a little walk around. Here's the Renault. This is the type of thing we do. This thing's been parked up for the last couple of years in the garage. It's quite dirty. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that on the camera. It's dusty. It's had cats climbing all over it and stuff. But by all accounts, this is they've gone to town on this. I've never seen one this clean. I've had loads of these in the past, in my younger days. This car has had an absolute fortune spent on it. Everything under the bonnet is new, been replaced with all genuine parts. New liners, new pistons, new crank, new everything. Everything factory original. There's things that I didn't even know existed. It's like a little breather pipe down here. I've never seen one of them on any of my Renaults. A water bottle, they're usually yellow. But the thing is beautiful. Needs a lovely scrub up. You see up here, hasn't been washed, hasn't been touched yet. I'm going to drag that out and we're going to get some footage of this getting cleaned. Give it a full safe wash, and then it's getting machine polished. Yeah, as many imperfections as we can. Try and make it worth the extortionate amount of money you paid for it. My friend buys classic cars like this. He's got a bit of a problem. He likes collecting old cars, but it's a beautiful thing, or shall I say it will be once we're finished with it. So yeah, I'm going to get ready, drag it outside, and we'll start cleaning it, and we're cutting it out and show you how we're getting on. There we go, guys, dragged her outside. Right, let's get this sorted. Just had its bath. Get this dried off. Drag it in. My old Butte getting remapped. Let's give him a little selfless plug. Here we go. S6 Carbon Clean. Does it all. The old truck's a bit sluggish. I think it's 125 brake. He's just mapped it up to 200 brake on a stage 2 map. Not for the speed, just a bit more torque. Pull like a train. Loaded or unloaded. Right, I'm going to get this dry and then we'll start prepping it for a 2-stage polish. Okay people, all dried off now. Ready for action. I've gone round it with my torch and I've done a bit of a paint inspection. In all fairness, there's not that many imperfections and swells. We've got a few flat spots. If you can see here where they've sanded it and they've polished it up. And what a lot of people do in body shops, they use, I don't know, like products like 3M Fast Cut Plus. Problem is with them, they're full of fillers, and if you don't panel wipe in between sets, what happens is this, your paint, it looks great for a while and then all the fillers eventually come out of it and then you're left with your sanding marks again. So we try and avoid products with fillers and stuff like that in them. There's a few flatting marks, there's a few light scratches in places that we found. It's a little bit flat around here, it's hard to pick it up on the camera. Across the boot at the top, I don't know whether I can get that on the camera. Different angle, it's a little bit flat around there. Quite hard to pick up, but along this line over here, need to polish that. What else have we got? Same thing again, by the door handle. We're flat around here and a bit on the quarter over here, flat, and above the decals. It's really hard to show on the old camera. We'll start getting that ready, and that'll probably be in the next episode. So we'll have bit of polishing going on, and then we're going to move on to the rest of it. And then a little bit of a sneak peek. Can you guess what that is? There you go. That's one of my projects that I just bought. That's going to be on the channel, you're going to see that. We're going to respray the whole lot of this, sort this all out. This is a paid job, so we get this done, get this out the door. My mate's dying to get that in his garage. Everybody can get to see it again this weekend. It's going to be on the telly. He's over the moon, he's excited, he can't wait. But I'm hoping once we're done, it's going to be gleaming. If you've got any comments or questions or anything you want to know, leave us a comment. And if you want to see more content like this, we're going to get up some of my salvage builds. We've got loads of jobs waiting I've got to get done and get cracking with. So I'm going to try and wrap this up. We'll do a little reveal of that on the next one, what we're going to do, what we're going to go through. See if you can guess what that is. Smash your answers down in the comment section. And if you think that the channel is something you might be interested in, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Cheers. See you on the next one.